increasing complexity in infrastructure, obviously creates a lot of issues, right? Now, because of which, what is happening is when you deploy a generative AI system, we are moving away from being an insight and a static, sort of an analytics driven operations into a more on the go, ready, real time intelligent recommendations that's generated by this AI system, right? And because of which we are able to actually get to a state where, we can, the operations are much more automated and proactive in nature. But at the same time, we are able to solve issues much faster. There are big productivity and efficiency gains, which is what everybody thinks of when they think about a generative or a AI system, and that is actually leading organizations to become a little bit more and IT organizations to be a little bit more provide assurance to business. And whether it's predictability or whether it's reliability and resilience of the systems that they're providing, thereby business operations are not impacted. Business operations are done in a much better way. Now, where this is also evolving is because this platform is working in your environment or running in your environment and understands every single nuance and components that are there. It is now in a position to provide recommendations on, hey, for these kind of application sets that you have in your environment, the technology stack that you're utilizing, either it's technology on-prem or technology on the cloud, and it's able to make recommendations on how should you modernize your technology or how should you transform your technology, so that way you're able to better support the needs of your businesses.